Hi, my name is Michael Hartel. I'm the owner and founder of Cabinet IQ, and in this video, I'll show you the 3 easy steps to achieve a picture-perfect kitchen. Before we get started, I want to offer you a free downloadable kitchen remodeling guide. We're doing this because we want you to go into your project with confidence. We'll give you the 6 qualities any kitchen remodeler must have and give you the 8 key questions to ask to avoid a disaster. Just fill out the form below and we'll send that right over to you. I want to let you know that 80% of our clients have never remodeled a kitchen before. Here at Cabinet IQ, we guide clients from the beginning to the end and take an educational approach to let you make the smart choice for your cabinets and countertops. Make sure you stay in this video if you're a proud homeowner starting the kitchen renovation process and if you want a new space that embodies your true style. Also, if you want to learn more about the ideal cabinet and countertop process and you want to achieve the best value for your money. Stay on if time is one of your most valuable assets and if you want to learn the easy 3-step process to make your kitchen dreams come true. Learn, design, install. Who are we? We are Austin's highest rated cabinet and countertop company with over 300 5-star reviews across all review platforms. We're a dedicated team of experienced professionals that are all passionate about providing a 6-star customer experience for cabinet and countertop design and installations. After overseeing thousands of kitchen remodels, I'll tell you what you don't need. You don't need a remodeling company that sells you cabinets and throws subcontractors in your house with their fingers crossed that everything will work out. You don't need inexperienced designers making design flaws leading to project delays or a result not as functional as you had hoped. You don't need a long and grueling process that keeps you out of your kitchen for double or even triple the length of construction you were expecting, along with added costs. You also don't need subpar products and shoddy workmanship after investing hard-earned money into your home remodel. Did you know the National Kitchen and Bath Association did a survey and found that 1.2 is the average number of kitchen remodels a homeowner does in their lifetime? What our clients love about our company is the people and processes that deliver a 6-star client experience. We're experts at guiding first-timers through their project and exceeding expectations. All right, let's talk about the 3 steps. Step 1 is to learn. The first step in the process is for us to learn about each other. This is best done at our showroom where we can sit down and ask each other questions during a focused conversation. We'll learn all about what you're looking for and share our knowledge and best practices for kitchen remodeling. If you're unsure of budgeting, we have a quick quote calculator to give you approximations for each of our dozen cabinet lines so you can make the right choice for your project. It's important that we stay aligned with you throughout the process. The more educated and prepared you are, the more confident you will feel about letting us take the hard part away. While you continue your normal life duties like work, parenting, and family, we'll take the stress off of you so you can focus on what matters. Step 2 is design. After our initial discovery meeting, it's time to plan your dream kitchen. We'll come to your home to take accurate measurements, discuss your vision, and offer solutions based on decades of kitchen design experience. One of the most common problems we hear is, we need more storage space. Our kitchen designers will introduce you to creative storage solutions such as wall pantries, pull-out trays, clever space-saving corner cabinets, and even drawers that hide away in your toe kicks. Our wide selection of cabinet vendors allows us to work within your budget. During this step, you'll receive colored 3D renderings of your dream kitchen along with a detailed budget proposal. We want your Pinterest dreams to become your reality. Your designer will strive to understand your full vision and style, and whether you choose contemporary, traditional, farmhouse, or something else, we'll make sure your space is something your friends and family compliment you on. We've built thousands of kitchens, big, small, on a budget, or high-end. We'll work within your budget and style to give you the dream kitchen that you have saved in your inspiration scrapbook. The third step is install. But even before your kitchen is ordered, we send our operations team out for a 57-point quality assurance check to make sure there won't be any hiccups the day of installation. We're committed to being in constant contact from start to finish, and we'll always update you with what to expect next. You'll never have to look around and wonder, where the heck is my contractor? During the installation, we treat your home and time with respect as if it were our own. You'll be at ease knowing our professionals are well trained, courteous, clean, and perform at the highest level of craftsmanship. We won't leave you hanging in any way. Our goal is to deliver a 6-star experience every time, and we do whatever it takes to accomplish this. Once we've finished with the install, we'll spend as much time as you want walking through the job with you to make sure you're super happy with everything. Alright, so you're probably browsing the web, reading reviews, gathering ideas, and trying to make the right choice for your remodel. We get it. Your kitchen might look like one of these photos from one of the projects that we started earlier this year. If you choose Cabinet IQ, here's what your kitchen could look like. And yes, these are all photos of our actual work that we completed this year in 2022. I just want to make sure that we cover again what we promised we were going to cover. We showed you the 3 easy steps to build your dream kitchen. Step 1, learn. Step 2, design. Step 3, install. Now it's up to you. So, next steps. If you're a proud homeowner looking to make the smart choice for your remodel, fill out the form below to get the conversation started. Once you fill out the form, you will speak directly to an experienced kitchen and bath designer on the phone who will answer any questions you may have and ask questions to get your wheels spinning. After this quick phone call, we'd love to have you in the showroom to see and feel our products so that you can make the right choice for your project. Photos online are a good starting place, but there's really no substitute for seeing the materials in person. Thank you guys for your time, and your dream remodel is right around the corner.